Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into your Google account in a browser so changes save to the cloud. Once signed in, navigate to Photos. Google, and let the page load your library. Make sure sync is enabled in your account settings if you want automatic updates. Otherwise, click Upload to add new images manually. This gets you into the editing and organizing interface quickly so you can begin changing photos right away. Once you're in your library, select single or multiple photos to perform bulk actions like move, download, or delete. Click Edit on any image to crop, rotate, apply filters, or tweak light and color. These edits are non-destructive so you can revert later. Next, organize by creating albums or dragging photos into existing ones, add descriptions, and mark favorites to surface key images. Make sure to review changes before leaving the editor so nothing is lost. To complete your work, click Save or Done so edits are applied to the cloud copy. Google Photos keeps versions so you can revert if needed. If changes don't appear on other devices, refresh the page, sign out and back in, and confirm you haven't exceeded storage quota. If uploads or edits fail, try incognito mode or another browser to rule out extensions, and once done, verify the image on a second device to confirm successful syncing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.